Hello, this is Yakas ARMA2. We're gonna do a special first video here.
For life airplane.
We're gonna fly so close we can until we are each other. We are free of those planes.
Yeah.
Okay,
The other guys. Yeah, go on. Here we go. I want you to start first. I don't crash it.
Yes.
Go on. Rescue all the time.
Yeah, I do.
And now I'm gonna go.
See when I'm taking off. Run. I'm heavily. I live.
Me too.
Listen, yeah.
I'm lifting now.
Can I look at you, Gabriel?
I'm flying towards your airport. Just fly around there. Go away.
Oh, it's a red spot there, Gabriel. See?
To the right.
Yeah, to the right.
Yeah.
To the left now.
Gonna talk to me then.
Oh God, I'm being shot then.
Being shot.
Yeah, we need to fly a little bit.
Two idiots in B-plane. Yes. Wait, what?
Just drive away from the airport. Go away.
Oh, they're shooting at me!
Don't get to the airport, you will.
Fly away from me.
Yeah. I'm driving to Gurka. Gurka!
See you guys at Gurka then.
I'm driving to Gurka.
Gurka.
Ah, he's shooting at me!
Drive to Gurka.
Wait. Ah!
What is that?
Hit me.
Come on, you will get away from there.
Okay, wait.
You guys in Gurka?
I'm 2,000 minutes away.
Get up.
Should we fly over to Gurka or
Cannot
just...
fly.
I'm gonna fly to the right.
Where is Gurka?
I'm seeing a blue dot in Gurka.
It's not me.
Oh, we have the basic Gurka, so we don't
Cannot
need to...
fire.
Where is that freaking Gurka?
Look at the
Cannot
map.
fire.
We have
Krishno?
blue for base. It's
Krishno?
above Gorka.
No. Where is it?
Woohoo, Gabriel,
I see
can
you.
see you. Woohoo! We rolling. Gonna fly on you. Oh, wait. Oh, here. There.
Hey, wait for you.
Oh, Gorka. Okay.
Woohoo! Turning around. Oh my god. Go with the nose. Nose.
It is nose.
That nose.
God, I'm losing speed.
Oh, I'm losing speed to me.
I'm gonna do a road.
I never played this one.
I'm doing a road. I'm doing a road. Dude. It would be epic if I have jumps on this.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see two spots.
Come on, now let's fly so close we can.
Right? We need to over the Gurkha base. Wait. Everybody fly away and each then we like
Okay.
we say 3, 2, 1, then we turn around, then we like fly close and shit to each other, right?
Three.
No, wait.
No,
we need to-
I haven't turning. I'm turning now. I'm turning around.
No,
Yeah,
don't turn any.
I need to turn around. I'm all far away.
Okay, turn around then.
I turn around, guys.
YOLO!
I see the city. Where are you
I
guys?
see you, Hampus.
Everybody in the middle of our base.
I see our base.
Don't see you guys. I'm over the base soon.
I'm behind you, Hampus.
Oh my god, he's talking me. Camera coming towards you. Oh my god.
Wait for me!
Oh my god. Fly you. Okay,
That
now
was
let's
not
leave it
close.
alone.
Come on, you!
Oh, that was close, Gabriel. That was so close.
I just fly around in the base. They were like, come close. If you see someone,
Yeah,
you
you
come
turn
close.
around and fly.
I'm turning around. I can see someone.
I See happens.
Right, you are you ready? Oh my god!
Oh, that was close.
Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Ah, we shot.
Now it's our teammates.
Right, I see someone. I'm going down. Ooh, it's Gabriel, it's Gabriel.
Looking up for Gabriel.
Oh my god!
No way.
Oh my god!
Whoa!
I'm coming for you, I'm coming for you.
Oh, did you crash?
Yeah!
It's alive!
No.
What the
I can
fuck?
still fly. I can still fly.
Did you survive?
Yeah! Oh my god!
Okay, now I
What
died.
the
I
fuck,
went-
Julius survived that you?
Oh the fuck!
Are you going down, Ewan?
Oh my
Yeah, I'm
god,
down.
I will stop the stream now. Have a good time.
Stream.
Ooh, bye.